Okay, let me introduce you to the Parrot Pot. So it's a pot for your plants that will automatically water your plants when your plants need water. And it does not only do that, but also measure light, fertilizer and air temperature, so it will give you advice through the app about everything to care perfectly to your plants. So this is just for the demo that you have to do it manually. Of course, the pot is autonomous, so it will water just at the perfect time for your plants. So it works indoor or outdoor. It runs on 4 batteries, more than 1 year, and it comes with a free application with more than 8,000 of plants to have the perfect advice for your specific plants.